Hi, it's Whisper, take two. I tried recording this video, but I accidentally exposed all my secrets. So, yeah, if you wanna expose your video, let me know. I'll start tea with some YouTubers. Not really. I would rather not have tea with anybody. So basically, oh my god, hold on. Okay, so, this is the outfit from the last video, except that shouldn't be there. But, neither should these. Okay. So now that I fixed it, let me just start by saying I'm very underwhelmed by this theme. And I only say that because oh no. Okay, I have a whole new outfit now. I clicked too low. I'm also gonna have to censor that. No, not really. I really don't care. Demonetize me, YouTube. I don't get paid anyway. Like, for real. But, I'm very underwhelmed by this theme. I think they could have done a better job, personally, with the clothes. The only one I would consider buying is this dress here. And that's if I can make it look better. Classy sorts. And it is perfect. There you go. And, the Emma Chamberlain scrunchie. I believe it's just called scrunchie, yeah. But, yeah, I wish that the hairs could have not been diamonds, because they're actually pretty cute hairs. So, like, yeah, leave us the trashy ones. I get it. Okay, they're not trashy. They're actually really good. I like all of them. The shirt, you can't make the dance-off words go away, so that's kind of a bummer. But, you know, for a little piece of fabric to cover your tatas, you can pay almost 600 star coins. Isn't that lovely? I swear, I'm waiting for them to, like, implement other body types. But then I feel like if they do that, it'll just be like World War III all over again. Like, if they implemented other body types, then they'd have to have a size chart for the clothes. And the clothes would look different on people. That's a no-go. That is not something I want to deal with. MSP, keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job, sweetie. Except with these themes. I really don't want to review the items again, but I'll do it. I need to, like, moisturize my face. I don't know if you can hear that. This is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finesse Natural Vapor de Fixation. It's cruelty-free. So I don't know what any of those words mean. I just know it's cruelty-free. 301A sealed deal. Ah! Wait. Can I? I don't even know where my mic is on this thing. ASMR. Yas. Okay, anyway, but these are some pretty basic things if you ask me. And, like, the only one I consider buying is VIP. But, I mean, if you could change the color of the background of the window, that'd be nice. I kind of like this one. Just a little bit. It'd be pretty nice, you know. Sparkles for 275 VIP. Yes, go queens. I'm not complaining that I'm not VIP, because, like, if I really want it, I can just be like, yo, Mom, can you spare $6? Like, I only get it for a week at a time. I'm a little too bad for that. But, yeah. And then, the animations were a downwell. A downwell? What is a downwell? A letdown. Oh my god. This is why I'm failing all my classes, even though I'm not failing my classes, but this is why. Okay, come on, sweetheart, load. It doesn't take that long. Okay, so basically, I'm pretty sure this is a reused animation. So they were so uncreative, they could not come up with a 7th animation. No, I did not count. I'm guessing. It looks like 7 because there's 4 and 3, so that's 7. Oh, at me, sis. But this is a reused animation. Tell me if I'm right. I'm pretty sure this is a reused animation. I remember that being one of the old animations that was, like, big. If it's not on this page, it's a reused animation. Is it on this page? It's not on this page. Wait, why aren't some of them in acting and dancing? Okay, well, this one definitely is. It says it right there. Okay, so I'm right. It's a reused animation. Freaking put a Fortnite dance in there. Oh my god, no. Put no more Fortnite dances. And you can all see the background. It's there. So, I mean, I guess my overall feelings are just, I mean, you could have done better. I'm gonna ask some people their feelings on the theme, and I'll tell you what they say. So, we're gonna start with Can You Not? Yeah, so, see you whenever they respond. So, nobody responded. Oh, okay, never mind, I lied. It's hell. That's a mood. Okay, so, hold on, I'll just open his profile like a professional. Never mind, oh, he says XD. So, hashtag Zach space baby space boo hashtag says, it's hell. And, yeah, he's bi and single, so ladies and gents, hit him up. There's a whole ass rainbow. Oh. I don't really care about it, LOL, why ass? Give me a sec, I'll get to it, man. Why did I just... say hi to YouTube, little dude. I don't really care about it, LOL, why ass? I'm doing a theme review and wanted the opinions of the public. The public. Oh my god, go to a chat room, Leah! Oh, I just exposed my real name. Hi, my name's Leah. I guess I can't say hey, it's Whisper, even though I'm going to. I'm gonna ask some noobs. Noobs like to crowd around in these chats. Ooh, love that. Bye. Okay, give me like 5 seconds to like respond to all these messages, cause yeah, I don't want to waste all my time on messages. So I've noticed that noobs crowd around these chats, the noobs with money crowd around this chat, and then level 8 noobs, and then a bunch of like old non-VIPs are in this chat. So we're gonna start with the calf chat. Girl, I will get to you in a second. Wait your turn. I just pointed at my screen like you guys could see that. Yeah. I heart boys. Oh my god, which gay man put that up there? Scandalous. And my dad is home. Okay, I don't believe, I believe it was at the, part where I ask everybody if they think it's a scene. The problem is I can't get, what the, okay, I'm gonna ask here. So Markiplier is horrible. And I feel like the same person. How does that work? Trash. I'm uncomfortable. It's pretty fantastic. Oh, that's good. At least one of us is positive about it. My overall feelings. The overall views of the public seem to be not that good, and agreed. I didn't like it, but thanks for your opinion. I'm okay. You okay? Yeah, that's my opinion. Don't get butthurt. Oh, Danny be following me. You see her right here? Now she'd be following me. Girl, that's creepy. But yeah, I didn't really like the theme. Miss P, do better. Yeah, signing off. I'll probably post this in a day or two. Bye.